Hello everyone, I'm Rahul. Welcome to ECLE 2.0, and today in this video we'll discuss about some common restaurant phrases which can used while speaking English, and you can use if you're going restaurant and if you are want to ordering the order, so you can use that. So now let's get started and let's move on. We are using simple phrases and simple vocabulary which can be used. So let's see first. If you are going restaurant and going greeting in sitting, you can use that types of the phrases. First is that like you can say that like hello, I have a reservation under the name. Suppose your name is Amir. You can say that hello, I have a reservation under Amir. You can use that. Otherwise, you can also use instead of other words, other phrases like that. Can you have a table for two, please? If you remove two or please, like so, you can it can be rude. So that is why you can use simply. Can we have a table for two, please? You can use that. Otherwise, you can use that. Is there a waiting time? If there is too much crowd and table is full, you can say that. Is there a waiting time? You can use that and you can have confident. Let's move on next. You have reached till the you've reached till the table. After that, you are thinking that like how can I order? So you have option. You can order the menu. First, you can ask that, can I see the menu, please? Again, if you remove the please, your sentence will not be polite. And you can use in polite way. You can say that, can I see you the menu, please? Do you have a drinks menu? You can also ask them another things that, do you have a drinks menu? This is also useful while speaking and if you want to ordering the menu. You have options. Other way, you can say that, could you tell me what's the special is today? It is also useful. Could you tell me what the special is today? You can also use that and you can have the confident too much. You've reached, you've ordered the menu. After that, what will you do? You can placing an order. So how can you place an order? You have option like you can say that like I'd like to order chicken curry, please. Now it is written chicken curry. You can add whatever you wanna add the items, whatever you wanna and order an item. You can add like suppose I like to paneer masala. I would say that I like to order the paneer masala, please. You can also use various types of the varieties in this particular sentence and you can be order easily. As well as you can say that like could I get that without tomato? If you don't like tomato, I don't like tomato, somebody don't like garlic, somebody don't like another things, so you can say that could I get that without tomatoes? You can also use that types of things. Next, I'll have the same as them. When can you use that? If you are with group and your friends has ordered already and you want same, you can also chat it like I'll have the same as them. Next, asking about the dish. If you want to ask about the dish, how can you ask them? Simply way. You can say that what ingredients are in this dish? You can say that. Okay. You can also ask, is this spicy? Okay. Is there a gluten free option? So if you are not suitable for gluten free, you can also ask them, is there a gluten free options? You can also use that. Next phrase you can use if you are requesting two beverages. You can say that like can I get glass of water please? So use please always because that there will be politeness in our language and you have confident. As well as you can also ask that like what drinks do you have? Okay, if you want to ask that what drinks do you have, so you can also use that types of things. Okay, and there will be the many options, so you can also choose that. You can also use that types of phrases. Could I have a refill? Could I have a refill? It is also useful for you and you can also use properly. We can use refill like you want more, then You can use that. If you want to do some special request, a special request in food, you can use that types of the phrases like, can you make the dish less spicy? You don't like spicy food, you can also say that, can I make the dish less spicy? If you like more spicy food, so you can just add just one thing, can you make the dish more spicy and normal spicy food? Okay. If you don't like salad, you can say that, can I, yeah, could I have the salad instead of fries? Could I have the salad instead of fries? You don't like salad, so you can use that. Yeah, you don't like fries, you can also use that. Okay, so this is also good point. If you want to order the sauce, how can you order? You can say that, can we have the dressing on the side? Can we have dressing on the sides? On the side means that, like, you want to sauce on the one side plate. Okay, so you can also do a special request in restaurant. Yes, during the meal, while during the meal, you need something like that. Like, you can ask it, excuse me, could I have a fork? Okay, you can also use that. And you have some complaint while during the meal, you can say that, this is cold, could you heat it up? So if this is cold, you can also use that types of things, and you can impact in your impression. Okay, you need more bread, you can say that, can we get more some bread please? Use always please, because you can have confidence and there will be politeness in our voice. Okay, next is that, paying the bill. Now it's time to paying the bill. Okay, so what can you do that? Like, if you want to order, you can't say it like, give me the bill. No, you can say that like, can I have the bill please? Politeness, as much as possible, try to be polite. Okay, can I have the bill please? Okay, and if you are friends too much, so you can say that, could you split the check between us? So they will split. As well as, you can also ask them, do you accept credit card? Now it's time to using that UPI and PhonePe and Google Pay. You can also ask them, do you accept PhonePe? Do you accept UPI payments? So they will also say, yes, you can. Okay. Now, if you have some complaint and feedback, so how can you give that? Okay, because after giving the bill is too high, and after it, like, you are not satisfied this service and food, so you can also give them complaint. You can say that like, I'm not happy with the service. Can I speak to the manager? Okay, I'm repeating again. I'm not happy with the service. Can I speak to the manager? You can also use that types of things. Okay. This isn't what I ordered. You have complaint. Okay. This food is too salty. This food is too salty. You can also complain like that. Okay. And after having food, you have complained. If it is good, so you can say that like, saying goodbye. Thanks for the meal. We had a wonderful time. See you again soon. So you can use that types of these things while speaking English. And if you're going restaurant, you have options, and you can speak English and you can impact the generation. If you practice that types of things, your confidence will increase. Because most important thing is that, I believe that personally, increasing the confidence. So if you want to increase the confidence, practice them again and again. 100% you will have confidence, and you will also use that. So how this tips videos, please tell me in comment box. And if you are liking that types of the phrases, I'll try to more that types of phrases. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.